You can take a look and watch the video of the police motor. Unknown government visit them at Okija, Anambra State. Unknown government. You don't know them. Then get their motor burn. It's a checking point of police. It's a checking point. You can see unknown government visit them today at their checking point. You can see the load block they are putting. We are trying to secure this motor. You can see youths are trying to secure this motor. You can see them, their motor. They run away. They run away. You can see the police people. See their motor. Their motor is burning. Their motor is burning. Yes, unknown government visit them today. We are the checking point at Okija, Anambra State. Yes. See their motor. See their motor. People are running. I don't know why they are running. It's like they are coming back again. See them. See what is happening. This is where the checking point at Anambra State, Okija. It's happening at Okija, Anambra State, where police people they checking point. Yes. Everybody is trying to escape.
WZO2 is calling now.
If you look up, you can see motor over there.